If you're dealing with a white screen on your iPhone, here's how to fix it. If your iPhone screen looks completely blank with no text, apps, or response when you tap on it, the easiest way to resolve this is by performing a force restart. To do a force restart, press and release the volume up button, followed by the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button. Keep holding it until you see the Apple logo appear on the screen, and the rest of the screen should turn black. What this does is force your iPhone to restart, which can often solve issues like the white screen. So remember, volume up, volume down, and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. If that doesn't work, the next option is to connect your iPhone to a computer. Use either a Lightning cable or USB-C cable to connect your phone to a MacBook, PC, or even a Windows computer. If you're on Windows, just make sure you have iTunes installed. Once connected, your computer might run some diagnostics or offer a way to update your iPhone's operating system. Connecting your phone to a computer gives you the chance to update iOS, run diagnostics, and fix any underlying software problems. If these steps still don't fix the issue, your best bet is to take it to an Apple store. The Apple technicians can plug your phone in, run diagnostics, and identify whether the problem is software-related or something with the physical hardware. In some cases, they might need to reinstall iOS or even replace faulty hardware. I hope this helps. If it did, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. It really helps out. Thanks for watching.